Think you're growing your triceps with rope pushdowns? There's a good chance you're actually killing your gains because the rope pushdown is one of the most butchered exercises on the entire cable machine. But here's the good news. Fix one thing in your setup and your triceps will light up like you've never felt before. Mistake number 1. Turning it into a chest or shoulder exercise. Most people lean forward, swing their body, and use their whole upper torso instead of their triceps. If your whole body is moving, who's actually doing the work? Mistake number 2. Elbows drifting forward. This shortens the range of motion and removes constant tension from the triceps. Imagine trying to do a push-up, but you stop halfway every single time. That's what drifting elbows do. Mistake number 3. Using a weight that forces bad form. Heavier stack equals better ego, but heavier stack also equals worse triceps activation. You're not in a competition with the weight stack. You're in a partnership with your muscles. Hint: here's the thing. If you fix your elbow position and one secret angle in your wrist, the tricep rope pushdown becomes a completely different exercise. I'll show you that in a second. Before doing anything fancy, you need 3 simple anchors. Anchor 1. Stand tall and lock your core. Think of your core as the foundation of a skyscraper. If the foundation shakes, the whole building collapses. Chest neutral, slight bend in knees, no leaning forward or backward. Anchor 2. Fix your elbows to your sides. Not jammed, not pushed back, just glued comfortably. Light bulb moment. If your elbows move, tension moves. Keep elbows still, and your triceps stay in charge. Anchor 3. Grab the rope and start from a stretch. Hands neutral, rope ends touching, elbows positioned slightly in front of your hips. Curiosity. Now that the foundation is locked, let's add the secret sauce that most people never learn. Step 1. Control the downward push. Push straight down, not forward. Keep your wrists neutral, no shrugging, no swinging, and no leaning into the cable. Coaching cue. Think about driving your fists toward the floor, not pushing the rope away from your body. Step 2. The squeeze, the most important part. At the bottom, split the rope ends apart. Pull down until your arms are fully straight. Imagine squeezing the back of your arm as if you're trying to turn your tricep into a rock. Light boat moment. The triceps' job is to straighten your arm, not to move the rope. So chase the straight arm feeling, not the rope movement. Step 3. Slow, controlled return. Bring the rope back up until your forearms are about 90 degrees. Not all the way up, not half repping, just enough to maintain stretch without losing tension. Wrong form. Science sprinkle. When your elbows stay still, your long head, lateral head, and medial head all get proper tension. This is why perfect technique builds that horseshoe tricep everyone wants.
Tip number 1. A slight hip hinge, not a lean, helps increase the tricep stretch at the top. Tip number 2. Use a 1 to 2 second pause. Hold at the bottom for 1 second. This increases time under tension and kills momentum. Tip number 3. Go lighter than you think. If you do it right, lighter weight feels heavier. Tip number 4. Keep your knuckles pointing down. When your knuckles face downward, your arm naturally straightens better. Here's the perfect tricep rope pushdown in just a few seconds. Stand tall, lock elbows at your sides, push straight down, split the rope ends apart at the bottom, squeeze hard, control the return. That's it. Simple, but deadly effective. Right now, yes, right now, go try 10 perfect reps using what you learned. Then tell me in the comments, did your triceps light up instantly? Great form beats heavy weight every single time. Master this movement, and your triceps will grow faster than ever. Keep training smart, keep improving, and I'll see you in the next video.